to my channel, and today I bring you the most awaited video tutorial of how to wear a Phanek. For those who are not aware of what is Phanek, it's a Manipuri traditional attire for women, which we wear it like a wrap skirt. So let's go ahead, dive into the video tutorial. This is your Phanek. It comes stitched halfway from the bottom. So you just jump right inside the Phanek like that. Like that. So you're supposed to be wearing a petticoat or an inner skirt inside. I'm already wearing a skirt that I customized for myself. And now here we are. This is the Phanek. So many people do ask me if there comes the sizes in Phanek like small, medium, extra large, etc. So it's just one standard size which will fit all the body type. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it when you buy it. It's going to fit you because the way you drape it, it's going to adjust and wrap around your specific body size. So here, so it's quite long. If I do it like this, and then I'll be just sweeping around the floor. So what I do is scrunch it from the top waistline, scrunch it until you get your desired length. If you're wearing a heels, make sure it's covering, the bottom length is covering there, your toes and a little bit of the heels. Now it's sitting right here in my waistline. Now that's the trick. Okay, this is the trick that you have to watch carefully. Now I'm going to bring it closer so you can have a look here. So I'm bringing it tightly, pull it over, flatten it, bring it tightly here, and then place it on this side. Okay, on this side of the portion. Now as soon as you place it here, you have to secure it with the top layer, otherwise it will fall off. So once you tightly bring it here, you again pull this top layer tightly around here. So now it's secure. From here you're pulling the top length. It's nice and secure. And then the second trick that you need to know. First one is wrap tightly here and overlap the layer. And the second one, you need to make sure that the end is coming right here, falling right here. So if this end is way beyond your leg or way here in the middle, then you need to adjust this length accordingly. So you pull a little bit here and then see it's going too far, right? So you put more on this side like that according to your size. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to show you, I have put more, like lots and lots of excess part over there, so it's not making the perfect pleat. It's coming in the middle. So I want this portion to come right here and cover it and make it like a just one shape. Okay, so in order for me to do that, you can adjust accordingly from here, and I'm thinking this is going to be perfect. Yeah, so this is just covering my leg, this side. So if you do like this, you can see the shape of my thighs and the knees. So once you have completed the second stage, now the third stage is whatever you're holding here. If you bunch it up, you can pull it here, but it's not coming out nicely. So what we do is we make this triangle, leave this triangle here like a design, and whatever you're holding here, you just tuck it on the first layer in the petticoat. Now that's done. So you have to see if this layer, this tip of this layer is longer and dragging on the floor. Make sure you bring it up a little like this and then just tuck it inside. And if you're wearing a top, it's fine. If you're wearing a blouse, shirt, anything, you can trim it up. And you are all set for your daily. Right, so this is the Phanek Mapan Naibi, we call it. It's for the occasion wear for functions, weddings, anywhere where there will be a gathering of people, 2-3 people or more than that, for birthday or for office. You are supposed to wear this formal wear. So it has stripes on the body, then it has embroidery on the border, and this is the upper border embroidery. So the material is silk cotton and then silk, and it's quite thick, okay? Thicker than the casual wear. So quite heavy as well. Alright, so let's jump in. Let's jump in the Phanek now. I'm inside the Phanek. So that was the simple and short video tutorial on how to wear a Phanek. If you really like this video and it helps you, make sure that you subscribe this channel and like this video, and please share this video with your friends and family members so that I can bring in more exciting videos in the future. So thank you and bye everyone. Stay safe. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Like that. Hello everyone. Like that. Hello everyone. So here's my teacher and a director.
You will say, bye everyone, see you in the next video, stay safe. And then you cut your video and then you're done. Now I'm going to teach everybody that's watching this how to say hello in your videos.
Okay.
So how you say hello in your videos for photographers, you have to do like this. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm making the world and hugging